Welcome to another video class 9. Today we will be revising with chapter number 1, that is definition of economics. Right. So we will be starting with the revisions from first chapter. So in this first chapter the topic which will be covered is economics, types of economics, micro and macro. Second will be nature of economics, that is arts as well as science. Right. In the classes, in the school, we have done this chapter. So I hope and I really wish that this is very clear to you, because this is a very simple chapter, very basic thing we have in this chapter. So the first thing and the first question which generally arises, for this you can follow page number 707. Right. Again, I have this edition, so you follow according to your books. Right, so the first thing which comes is the meaning of economics. So economics means that it is derived from two Greek words, that is oikos. Correct? Look into your box. That is derived from two Greek words, that is oikos, meaning a household, and nomos, meaning a household. Oikos means household and nomos means manager. So household manager means managing all the activities. Not only household, but we take economy means the country, because country, it's our house, we live in a country, right? So managing the country means economy. You can take it like that, right? This economics means the efficient management of one's household affairs, but it has now come to understood as the study of business affairs, where we apply economic theories into practice and take decisions accordingly. Correct? Simple. Now we have certain definitions. That was wealth-oriented definition by Adam Smith, and then we had scarcity-oriented definition by Robbins. Then we have growth-oriented by Paul Samuelson, and definition of economics by J.M. Keynes. Now, no need to learn any of the definitions now. Correct? You just learn the name of the definition, that which definition was given by whom. Like wealth definition was given by Adam Smith, right? Growth oriented definition was given by Paul Samuelson. Scarcity oriented definition was given by Robbins, and definition of economics was given by J.M. Keynes. So you just learn these names and that is it. No need to just mug up all the definitions. Now let us come to the topic, that is types of economics. We have two types of economics, children, over here. First is micro. Now the term micro itself means small. Micro means small. So it is the study of economics in small number, means one unit, single unit. If I am studying the marks, if I am writing down the marks of one student, it means micro, because there is only one person, one individual involved in that. If I am making result of single person, that means micro, right? So microeconomics, when together, combined together, it means study of an individual or study of a single unit in the economy, right? Let's read. Micro, it involves the study of elements of economic activities. For this purpose, an individual, a household or a firm or price of various goods and services are chosen. Means one thing will be chosen, one school, one class, one student, one subject. Correct. Coming to macro, macro means big. So it means study of whole economy or whole economy or as a whole, right? Means combined together. All students, school of Dehradun, every school of Dehradun, right? All the classes of DVPS, all the classes starting from nursery to 10th, every class. Macroeconomics. Let's read. The term macro, it itself indicates of the scope covered by the section of economics. As the name implies, it covers the study of the economy as a whole. The aggregate of national income, total consumption and demand, total savings, investment means everything. Everything of the whole community will come into microeconomics, and everything of a single person of that community will come into microeconomics. Right. Now, second is nature of economics. Now, it says that economics is both science as well as art. A question comes certain times that economics is both science as well as art. Discuss or explain. Now, I have told you earlier also that in economics we take it as a practical subject. Like you have maths, we take economics similarly, right? So economics, we have certain calculations, we have certain collection of data, we collect certain data for studying what? Studying of the human behavior, right? So for that, we require certain principles, we require certain laws, we require certain formulas. In the next classes, in the higher classes, you will study about that, right? We study about certain formulas. Now, certain formulas, certain theories, basic principles comes in what? Comes in science, because these are those things which once made is made. Means if I say that two twos are 4, means 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So it is a fact. It cannot be changed. I cannot say that 2 into 2 is equals to 6. No. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So it is something which cannot be changed, which is a fact, which is a rule. So rules cannot be changed. So all those things which cannot be changed in economics comes into science, right? Next is arts. Why arts? Because it requires certain skills, it requires certain knowledge, it requires certain creativity to get the things done from certain people, right? And how you can get the things done from certain people? When you have that skill to make your work done by the efforts of others, right? Make your work done by the efforts of others. You have a younger brother or sister. If you scold that person, he or she will not do any work of yours. But if you are going to offer a chocolate, or if you are going to offer a toffee, that person is going to do that work for you. So it is what? It is your creativity, it is your skills. You know how to get the things done from that person, right? So economics is what? Economics is both arts as well as science. Now if this question comes, you will be able to explain it, right? So with this, we finish with this chapter. It was a very basic, very small chapter. So we have done meaning of economics, we have done economics types, micro and macro. Micro means small, macro means big, large. Then next we had is nature of economics, science as well as art. Why it is a science? It is a science because it involves certain laws, rules, principles and theories, formulas which cannot be changed. Why it is a science? Because it involves certain skills, it involves certain knowledge, it involves certain creativity by which you can make the others do the work, or you can get the work done from others' efforts, right? Now I hope that this chapter is clear to you, and till then, take care. Bye bye.